How to hide Telegram notifications on Android lock screen. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. By default, your lock screen shows the sender and message content, but let's learn on how to hide messages previews or disable notifications completely. So one is, you can simply open settings, scroll down and select apps. Tap on app management. Find Telegram, or you can tap the search bar and type in Telegram. Open the App Info section of Telegram. Now choose the Manage Notifications option. And you need to simply turn on the button for Hide Notification Details on lock screen. Now this will hide all your notifications on your Android lock screen and the preview. Or else, you can simply toggle off the button for Allow Notification and deny all the notifications of Telegram. Doing so will also hide the Telegram previews or notifications on your Android lock screen. And that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.